Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can fix this error. Here you can see it, null x803f701. So this is activation failed error. So how we can fix it? We just need to go to Windows and here choose settings. So after we choose settings, we choose update and security. And here in update and security we choose Windows Update. So sorry, just activation. We choose activation, and also here you need to change product key because here you will see your error. So also you can find in my another videos how you can generate your key if you don't have it. So I will add here on on top right another video how you can find your key if you find the key to add here if you don't have your key to change here. So but after if after changing key you have error and it doesn't fixed, so we need to open search and write cmd and just write in command line slmgr rearm and just click enter after this command. So it will fix your product key and it will clear it, and after it you need to change your key. So just click enter and exit from command line. So after you do it, you just can restart your computer, and if you change your product key, everything will be good. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.